UMongameli Ramaphosa ebephendula uthotho lwemibuzo kwindlu yamaphondo kazwelonke.
Holding election in a climate of fear and mortal danger to people will not provide for a condition where those elections can be rendered free and fair.
What is concerning us, Mr. President, is that this panic environment that is being hyped up by the government is just an excuse to delay the elections.
I announced that the 27th of October 2021 would be the date on which the local government elections will be held. The announcement does not constitute a proclamation as contemplated in the Local Government Municipal Electoral Act. The proclamation will be issued by Minister of Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs.
Ucele amalungu eParlamente ukuba anike ikomishoni yozonyulo kwakunye noJaji Moseneke ithuba lokuba baqukumbele umsebenzi wabo.
Anything else could well amount to our undue interference in the work that he has to do and the IEC has to do.
Ukwaphekwe esophula ngendima karhulumente ekusiphuleni nengcambu umkhuba wokudlakatheliswa kwabasetyhini.
Will you, Mr. President, strengthen the fight against GBV and femicide by supporting the use and ownership of firearms for self-defense to empower vulnerable women, among others?
Not every woman in our country subjected to this is a gun owner. And so therefore, to reduce the issue of self-defense to just owning a gun by women, I think is a mistake.
Kusenjalo umongameli umkhusele umphathiswa wamaqumrhu karhulumente uPravin Gordhan kumakhwelo we-EFF wokuba makagxothwe. Umongameli uthi lo kaGordhan uwenza umsebenzi wakhe ngocoselelo. Vuyani Green, weendaba ze-SABC, eParlamente Kapa.